Summer lunchtime is often spent at the pool or the playground. Don't just default to packing a PB&J though. These wraps are packed with flavor and protein. They're an easy way to kick up your on-the-go lunch game. Lisa Danielson joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share the recipes. It's great to see you.
Yes.
Summer lunch on the go is kind of a challenge for moms. It's easy, all too easy, just to pick at what you have put out for your kids.
Yeah. Well, what I like to tell people is if you don't put any gas in your car, what happens? You don't go very far. Same with summertime.
Yeah.
Summertime is busy for moms. We barely have a time to sit down and eat a decent meal. But guess what? Today we have a hack, and I love a good hack.
Yeah.
Making something in 5 minutes.
And not to say, I love a good hack as well, not to say that it has to be mine and yours. You
Right.
can loop the kids into this meal as well.
Totally. All you need is 4 ingredients. They can be any 4 ingredients in your kitchen. I always like to pick the veggies first.
Okay.
But we're gonna go ahead and start with our Southwest wrap. So this is all over TikTok. Have you seen this?
No.
Okay.
I'm not a huge TikToker. Does that shock you?
Well, I'm not either, but I did see it. So all you're gonna wanna do is just make one little slice on your tortilla. That
is this the fold?
This is the fold. It's so easy. So with kids, it's great because all they have to do is pick out 4 ingredients in the kitchen. So you wanna start with something creamy. That is actually really important.
Okay.
So you're gonna want your stuff to kind of stick together. So I'm starting with just some Laughing Cow cheese, which who doesn't love that? But you're basically just dividing this tortilla wrap into 4 quadrants. So we've got our something creamy, then we're gonna add some black beans. And the nice thing is you don't really have to pack this guy full. The more full you pack it, the more messy it's gonna be, if that makes sense.
You've been warned.
Yes. So I like to add some corn. You can sprinkle some taco seasoning on it just to give it like a little flavor.
A little something, something.
Yeah. I'm gonna add just a couple slices of avocado.
Oh, I hit my avocado perfectly this week. It was like primed and ready to go right when I needed it.
That really is the best. That's the best day.
I know.
When you can hit that avocado super good. Okay, so all you do, it's so simple. Even I bet your 3-year-old could do it. You fold right here. You fold right here.
2.
And here.
Stop, look at that.
And then you give it a good smash.
Get it all in there. Is this served hot or cold?
So we're gonna warm this baby up.
Okay.
So it's always better warm. So you're just gonna put it in a little pan and you're gonna just cook it on both sides for like 2 or 3 minutes. And guess what? You're done. You can top it with like salsa and sour cream or some Greek yogurt.
But it's
some
all
avocado.
packed into one little pouch.
Yeah. So literally what you can do is if you're rushing out the door, you wrap it in wax paper, you wrap it in foil, take it with you, it'll stay warm.
Okay, I'm in. I'm all in now that I know the game. All right, that is our...
This is our Southwest.
What's our next wrap?
Okay, so we're gonna make a caprese. Do you like caprese?
Yes, I do.
Yes, it's so good. Okay, so go ahead and you're gonna do this one. Yep,
okay,
so
right
just
there.
do one little mark right there.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella. I like the fresh mozzarella.
That's our creamy?
Yes, this is our creamy. Well, we're gonna do another creamy. Do you wanna add the pesto?
Oh, sure.
So you'll just put the pesto, and really it doesn't matter the order you put it in.
Right, I love pesto. I went a little generous, but don't be sad or scared.
Oh, I'm not.
Okay.
I love pesto.
I do too.
Okay, so then we'll just put in some sliced tomatoes on that side.
Got it. I'm spoiled. I go home and I'm like, the tomatoes aren't sliced. Okay.
I know, right? And then I just have a couple of basil plants in my garden.
Yummy.
So throwing that in there, and then I'm gonna let you wrap.
This feels like something I could and would order at a restaurant.
Totally.
Let's see if I followed instructions. 1, 2, I maybe went overboard on the tomatoes too. I'm zealous here. 3. There we go.
There you go.
Done.
And now you just put it right in.
Toaster up.
Yep. And I like to top the caprese one with a balsamic glaze.
Ooh, yum.
Or you could even just put a little bit more mozzarella on top. It's super easy. So your kids could just pick out 4 ingredients.
Yes.
Done. 4 ingredients for yourself.
You get 1,000 points for easy, but on the outset, you've got this delicious,
it's really good
lunch.
Yeah. Yeah.
It feels a little gourmet. All right, the third one is when you're trying to satisfy a sweet tooth, right?
Yes, and actually, I have been known to approve this for lunch for my kids.
Okay, if Lisa
It's better than Top Ramen, okay? It's more nutritious than Top Ramen.
Okay.
So it's really super easy. You can take any tortilla, and we have lots of different options for wraps, but this one's gonna be best with the tortilla. So all we're gonna really do here is we're just gonna add our creamy. So we've got Nutella, we've got peanut butter, and then you can even add in like some chocolate chips.
If I bring out Nutella, my kids are like, game on, Mom.
I know,
you
right?
rock.
I know. It's just kind of the easiest. You could also make this with strawberries. I don't love hot strawberries, I'm not gonna lie.
There is something to that.
So there's
isn't
just
there?
something
More mush.
Yeah, that's a little bit better with like the bananas. But you can add the chocolate chips if you want. But basically, you'll just slice it up.
I see where this is going, and I
Yes.
love it. So
And
a little
then-
dessert inspired.
Yeah. And you can heat it up or not heat it up. It doesn't really matter. But chocolate chips right there, and then we just fold it,
Fold.
fold, fold.
Hey, it's got protein.
Whipped cream on the top.
Whipped
protein,
cream, a little dairy.
potassium from the bananas, right?
Yeah.
So much better than Top Ramen.
I'm an easy sell. I'm an easy sell. I will be making all of these at our summer house. So thank you so very much. I said summer house like I have something by the lake, but I really just meant my house in the summer.
Yes.
I will be making these.
It seems like a vacation when you're home all summer.
It does, doesn't it? Right now. Let's talk again in a month, and we'll see how that feels. Lisa, thank you so much. Where can we get more recipe ideas from you?
VeggieLisa.com or Instagram VeggieLisa.
All right, Veggie Lisa on Instagram. Give her a follow. Always sneaking in the goods in good food, which we appreciate her for. Thank you again.
Yes,
Happy summer.